green you have, right? Like
So we have it as per the
is
norm.
monitor is maintained with color code on daily basis to have smooth the removal and back filling of soil. Correct?
Yes.
Okay. So guys, see, total since morning we have seen total 78 guide words. You can say more or less.
Sorry, Chairman. Sorry to interrupt. When we go to that point number 13 in this category, which we discussed, substance risk, the discussion we mentioned is man-machine interface. I think the substance risk, the question is related to like any hazardous substances, like cost assessment.
Substance risk means any material, your man-machine material. There are three kind of things which can have safety issue. If you have any hazardous chemical, you have any hazardous processes, you have hazardous equipments. So to answer you, there is no hazardous chemical.
Yeah.
There is no hazardous processes. You have got a hazardous machine like a vehicle excavator.
Okay.
So I would say.
Yeah, that's clear.
Okay, let me clarify so that no hazardous chemical and processes. Correct?
Yeah. Clear now.
Okay, guys. So I just want to refresh. We have seen all the guide words for the construction, and we have gone with category wise. We have seen all 6 categories with all total 77, 78 questions. With this, if you feel that something is missing, something is critical with respect to the constructability, let me know so that we can address this point before we end the constructability review workshop. So